Hi vlog. I'm vlogging on my phone right now because someone stole my camera. Literally not gonna get into it. So today my nails are popping off, so I'm gonna have to do that. But a friend of mine, Uche, another influencer, may or may not know who she is. If you don't know who she is, then you should go follow her because she's the cutest ever. She messaged me. Basically, she needed a look for the Billie Eilish concert. I'm friends with people that own a showroom, so she was kind of asking for that info, but I was like, I don't know how quickly they'll get back to you, but if you need a look, like, I will style you from my closet. I love dressing people. And she was so for it. I had her send me some inspo photos, so I'll put like the inspo here. It's from Sammy Miro Vintage. So super cute pants, matching denim top. I also have these baggy pants that I think would be perfect. The puffer, I have this fire Rick Owens Montclair cargo pants with this oversized gray blazer. So I sent her a few looks and some pieces to see what she thinks. And I just made a mess and I'm on my phone, so maybe we'll like pop. Yeah, fun. Just did some laundry. I'm in my bedroom now. I did move my bed into where the office was. I'm in the room across from Gaia's room, so I could have that other master bedroom space that's on the opposite side of the house for an office. And it's been working really well. But basically, I am taking a little break, do my favorite meditation. If you guys are interested in meditation, manifestation, honestly, you guys have been around for a while. Does anyone remember when I made that video, How to Be Confident? Is that literally, like, did I title it that? But I remember I talked about like fake it till you make it. And people liked it, so that was obviously a long time ago. But if you guys are into that stuff, I'm so into it. I will share all of my favorite things and my routines and how it's helped me. We are playing in the backyard. We were playing outside. Now, I really get it. I just watched her run around chasing after Leon, saying, Lily, Lily, Lily. I have all these boxes here because we're doing some organizing and moving stuff around. At this hour, Zoomies hour, she just wants to be chased. And it's like actually insane how these toddlers have so much energy. These toddlers have so much energy. Like it will be like two adults having to like switch off, like, take turns chasing after her, and it's like us two adults are tired. How in your tiny little body are you not tired yet? So it seems that she's trying to play chase with Leo. That's kind of perfect as long as everyone's safe. Get down, yeah. Are you the boss of Leo? This is so sweet. Hi, Lily. Ow! She just closed my finger in the door. Hey, gentle. He's a little bit on edge. Okay, let him get inside. So he will just run away. He doesn't want to play right now, baby. I'll play with you. I'll play. Gaia! He's going poo-poo. Looks beautiful outside. Oh my gosh. The sky. Oh. Are you poo-pooing now? Oh, that's a sag and low diaper. All right, we gotta change this. Ah! Gaia, we gotta go change that poo-poo. She's saying no. Ew! Oh my! We really gotta clean up now. All right, that's dirty. Let's go. Guys, oh my gosh. Gaia is sick. The past 2 nights, I have been up with her all night. My brain doesn't work. I just woke up from a nap. It's like 11 after our nanny got here at 8. Oh my goodness. It's so much easier now at her age that like when things like this happen, you're like, oh my god, I forgot that this is what I used to do every single day. I literally feel delirious. I'm about to get in the shower, so I want to make sure that I do all of my hair treatments. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do. The hair wash routine is a bit crazy due to trying to heal my fried hair. It really does work, so that's why I want to show you what I use. I talked about it in my last video, how it's like, it totally makes a difference. Here's my routine. I'm still like very bold that I decided to just turn on the camera right now. Okay, so let's do it. I need to get one of these brushes really bad. I would recommend that to anyone who's having like hair breakage or damage. This is like for like literally in the shower when your hair is really wet. It's like you have to be the most gentle with it. I just use this even on my dry hair because it is so fragile. Anytime I brush through it really rough, then like I hear like ripping, you know? So you just want to be as gentle as possible. We're gonna start with the Olaplex number 0. The other steps you want to use on damp hair, this is the perfect product to start with. Put it on dry hair and it makes it damp and then it's just ready to go. But this spray is like it's hard and like narrow, like if I'm doing this, I'm like hitting the wall. Like I'm hitting anyone that's back here. Ignore my clothes pile. I wish there was like more of a mist going on so I don't waste product. People say that like Olaplex messed up their hair like from like using it too much and like caused breakage. The whole like protein buildup thing, that doesn't happen with bond repair. Bond stuff like Olaplex K18, you can use that every day. Other things that are like for your hair health, gives like protein and strengthening. I don't know what ingredient or like what specific word. Those you can't use every day. That's when you will get protein buildup and your hair will get damaged from it. So now that we know that we can use this every day, you don't have to. Obviously, this stuff is very expensive. Don't use it every day, but I'm just saying you don't have to worry about your hair snapping off because you're using this like often. Don't worry about what kind of shampoo and conditioner you have. Those are the things you don't need to spend your money on. I bought my K18 myself. I just bought this like little mini set because I didn't really know, like very expensive. And I'm like, is this even worth it? Like I have no idea. I've never used this before. So I got like the mini set. It's lasted me enough time to get a good idea of the product. So I also would recommend that. Use this number 3. This is a treatment. This is bond builder. It's not a leave-in product. I'm just putting this in the ends of my hair to stay in for 10 minutes at least. So that's why I do this stuff before I like get in the shower. This is Olaplex number 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask. Hair, from how dry it is pretty much like soaked up all the product. So sometimes I'll just like take a water bottle and mist. I'm relaying what was told to me. It's told that your hair strands, it's made up of like bonds that are like this, like it's like a ladder. So there's boom, 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 and then like strengthen here. These are both patented technologies. Really can't find an actual dupe to these because they are patented, and these are not the same because they have their patents. Make sure that the Olaplex builds the bonds that go this way, and then the K18, this is a leave-in, that's why I'm not using it yet. I'm gonna use it after, but the K18 builds bonds vertically, strengthening them this way, building them this way. So that's why it's great to have both. It's just like double the strength where you're getting bonds this way and you're getting bonds this way. That means all of the other bond repair treatments from other brands, they have to have their own technology. I have a living proof one. So this also works really well, but again, you know, does it in a different way. I don't know how this one does it, which is bad because I actually was at the dinner for the like launch of this. Maybe I'll look it up and I'll let you guys know how this one works. It's also really important to remove product buildup. That will also help. That could be a reason why if you feel like you're using a bunch of treatments on your hair and your hair's like breaking, you have to use a detox shampoo like once a week. I've been using this just because like I had it. Then I saw someone online talking about how they used this for the same thing. So just so you know, the Rootist and the Ordinary are not exactly the same. I don't know the comparison in price, but that's what I heard, that they like are similar. Put this in your roots. This is also something that you do before the shower. So when you have a bunch of product buildup, your blonde's not gonna look as bright. Massage that. I'm gonna, in the shower, use the detox shampoo and then a purple hair mask conditioner that I have. And we're gonna let that just marinate. Just looked up the Living Proof Bond treatment. I couldn't get like a clear answer, or at least like a clear answer that I understood. But what I read is that it's highlighting that there's 3 types of bonds and it targets all 3, creating like a 3D bond. What does that mean? Not exactly sure. How I'm taking it is maybe this is a product that does bonds this way, and then like whatever their third one is that they found. Kind of love that for me. We're gonna get all 3. We'll figure this out together, okay? I'm going to get in the shower. I'm back. I had to go pick up some of my meds before they closed for lunch. So before I left, I just put some of the K18 leave-in in, and then I just wrapped it up using a silk scrunchie, or even like satin. It doesn't even have to be like real silk. That really helps like keep your hair smooth. Yeah, I have like an hour and a half until Gaia comes back. I'm gonna work on some Christmas presents, like handle some stuff, and I'm pretty sure that's all the time I'm gonna have to do anything. I'm so excited about it, but I made like a whole book of, this is Sutton, my friend and our nanny. She's really into the astrology stuff too, and so I made like this whole book of like their placements and everything about their astrology. I also did one for my sister. I have a new assistant and he's so good at getting like everything taken care of, but he like kind of last minute is like away with another person he works for. So I'm like, hey, like, can you get this printed? And I know he's been so overwhelmed, but I wasn't getting enough updates that I'm like, I'm really afraid that this is not going to get printed in time. And he was like, I'm following up with someone today, but most places I've spoken to, they can like bind it, but not like a actual book. Wish I knew that, because online, I already found places that can do it. I just was like sending it off to him to handle, but you know, all good. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna try to figure out if I can do this by myself, if it's still possible to print and be delivered in time. The way, like, this would be so expensive. I had bought a personalized astrology book for Gaia, and it was pretty expensive. I got it and it was like only like the 4 placements, like 4 or 5, like nothing extra. So the fact that I did all of this and I had I have the keys so they can understand and like what each sign in what house means for them, etc. So I went like really deep in, so like this would be so expensive. I can do this, like I can do this stuff. I understand it from so much time, just like it being a hobby of mine and interest. I'm like, I should do this for other people, like a little side hustle. Huh? When mama comes home tonight? She loves her iPad. It's just like a little drawing thing. She loves to draw. That's her new favorite thing. You can say hee hee. What about ho ho ho? Ho ho ho. Yeah! Good job! Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas!
Ho, ho, ho.
Ho ho ho. What are you looking for? Bluey. This is her Bluey X Little People setup. So she had all the little people princesses. Oh wait, that's just a girl. This one's just a girl. We got Peppa Pig. We got Bluey. Who's this? Coco. Her name's Coco. Who's this? Jean-Luc? Can you say Jean-Luc? I know, it's a hard one. It is a hard one. What about this one? Who's this? Lucky. It is Lucky. You know this one? Rusty. Yes. And this? Mackenzie. Who's this? Who is it? Jack. Jack. I forgot that one. She told me. Good job. We need to get you some more Bluey friends. You know all of them. And then we have, of course, Bluey. And where's Bingo? Where'd Bingo go? Oh. Oh, you got Bingo. And we love mermaids. Under the sea. Under the sea. Say, hey guys, it's Gaia. Can you say, hey guys, it's Gaia? Hey guys, it's Gaia. Welcome back to my channel. It has been quite a day for me. I'm putting your Milky on the warmer. Gaia! Mommy and Gaia, Mama and Gaia. Mommy and Gaia, Mommy and Gaia. Mommy and Gaia, Mommy and Gaia. Mama Gaia, Mama Gaia. Mama Gaia. Here's the thing. Normally there's like a 7 to 7 schedule that is recommended by other moms and stuff. Hey, yeah, we're talking to the camera. What I found with her is if I put her to bed at 6 or like 6:30, she wakes up at 5:30. If I put her to bed at 5:30, she wakes up at 6:30, maybe even 7. So I've been really like keeping her on like a 5:30 like bedtime. She's older and there's like stuff to see. I would like to be able to have more than like a couple hours with her after I'm done working. So we're gonna give it a go. We're just gonna see what happens and see if we can, hey, down. It used to be convenient to be like, all right, boop, 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 put her back. Okay. But now she's like so fun to hang out with. Like it's not just like a little baby, then I just have to be like, dee, 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 dee. So I want to hang out with her. I want to do fun things at night with her. At least till like 7 would be nice. So it's like, what, like 6:30 right now? She would be asleep by now. But she has been taking like 2.5. What? Let's go? Where? Your room? Let's go to your room?
No.
No? Where do you want to go? Hi vlog. Lighting is terrible. I haven't checked in a minute because there's so much that I need to I need to catch you up to speed in a lot of different ways. It's making it hard for me to show day-to-day life and talk about what I've been doing because there is no update. And I'm talking about good things though, you know, all good things. So right now I'm wrapping Christmas presents. This is terrible. Wait, I know how to wrap and I wrap nice presents. I'm just thinking about how I want to go about Christmas morning with Gaia. Because I got her a bunch of stuff and then she has a lot of other people getting her stuff. And I'm afraid of giving her too many things at once. And I don't know, I feel like it has to be strategic. With this, I was gonna put it in her stocking, but it's too big. And then I was like, you know what, I could just put it in her room. It's a new nightlight projector. And I started wrapping stuff with this Bluey wrapping paper. And then I was messing it up. But then I was also she's a baby. So maybe if it is all messed up like this and easier to open, she'll enjoy it more. So that's what I'm doing. I also got Minnie Mouse wrapping paper. For her main gifts, I got her a big indoor jungle gym thing. So that I'm gonna have to set up, build and set up the night before when she goes to bed so she can wake up with it, which will be really exciting. And then there's other things that I got these stepping stones and a spinny chair. So it's all kind of the vibe. But then I got her stocking full of stuff and then this. So yeah, that's why I only have this to wrap. Happy New Year! I meant to get this video up before Christmas, but that's long past. So all of the holiday footage will be in the next vlog. And also I'm gonna try to separately make a sit-down video updating you guys on everything because I keep talking about how it's so hard and there's so many updates. I just need to sit down and get it done. Also, I got a new camera for Christmas, so that was perfect. That's what I was talking about, where my camera got stolen, but it was gonna be okay because that's what I was gonna get for Christmas. So this is the Sony one and I've been wanting it for so long. I'm still figuring out how it works and stuff. I think that I'm gonna try to actually record my first video on here tonight. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.